Alright, what is up, guys? So today I thought I would give you guys a little bit of a review on the eBay coilovers that I installed on a DA about 2 weeks ago. So for the most part, the only reviews I've seen online were people that either haven't tried them or didn't give them a chance at all. For example, people not giving them a chance would be putting them in for like a day and then taking them out. I'm sorry if you can hear that noise, that's the garage door. But people that like put them in for a day and just took them out because they didn't like them. So yeah, we're going to start the review. First of all, I just want to start by saying these coilovers are about $200, $200 shipped. So for that kind of price, I mean, you're not going to be expecting Olin's or stuff like that. Even TN, you're not going to expect quality like that. But for the price point, you cannot beat it. What I compared them to was Skunk 2 sleeves, which go around, I think $250 or something like that. From what I've seen, I don't know. If I'm wrong, I'll correct it on the screen. But I compared them to the Skunk 2, these Skunk 2s, and I gotta say that they perform about the same. So the coilovers actually might be a smidge better. So for what I can tell, the only issue I had with the coilovers that are on the car currently would be if you hit multiple bumps in a row, it's a tad bit bouncy. But I mean, that's to be expected. But it's nothing like putting eBay sleeves like $30. So those wouldn't recommend. So compared to a Skunk 2 sleeve like this, they're about eye level. So for the exact same price, a little bit cheaper, you can get a full coilover instead of a sleeve. So personally, I would go with the eBay coilovers. That's just me. So let's start with, after you put them in and you adjust them, the first week and a half or so will be absolutely horrible. It will be the worst driving experience of your life. That's going to be because they haven't settled yet, so they're really stiff, everything's a little bit stiff and stuff like that. So after that week and a half go by, they're completely broken in and they feel just fine. I mean, they feel as a normal coilover would, they're stiff, stuff like that. But for the quality point, as far as the coilovers themselves, not bad at all. They actually might even be a little better than Raceland's, to be completely honest, or on par with Raceland in terms of ride quality, because I've been in cars with Racelands and they feel almost identical. So it's about on par with Skunk 2 and Racelands. So it just depends on what route you want to go. If you want to go Raceland, go Raceland. If you want to go eBay, go eBay. If you want to go Skunk 2 coil sleeves, whatever, go coil sleeves. Now, the fitment on the car is immaculate, okay? Once I rolled the fenders, it looks beautiful. So I'm going to put some of that on the screen right now. But the fitment is absolutely perfect for me. I enjoy the fitment. I enjoy the ride quality, to be completely honest. And yeah, now, here's where you can tell they cheaped out on stuff, would be stuff like this. As you can see, if you just hit it like that, the powder coating falls off. Just from using it, the powder coating kind of fell off. So that's where they cut the prices at. That's where they cut corners, with the powder coating. Same with the coilovers, same exact powder coating. That's where they save money at too. So right here, you can kind of just scratch off their logo from here with your just literally no effort, just scratch it off. So they definitely cut corners with the powder coating, which is to be expected. They had to have cut corners somewhere in order to make money on selling cheap ass coilovers like that. So as far as I'm concerned, these coilovers are not bad. The ride quality is fairly decent. Honestly, I have no problem with them. I actually like them. Like I said, it's going to be a shitty experience for the first week and a half, but after that, you're going to be golden. Every little kink's going to be worked out. They're not going to be as noisy. They're going to be, fairly decent to ride on, to be completely honest with you. So yeah, that's going to be my 100% honest review on these coilovers. Keep in mind, it is not sponsored or anything. I don't know why I would. I have like 30 subscribers, so I mean, obviously it's not sponsored. So, not sponsored video. MaxPeedingRods didn't pay me a goddamn dime, even though they probably should. Yeah, so I think these coilovers are great for the price point. There's nothing wrong with rocking, eBay coilovers. I mean, if you're on an absolute budget building a car like I am, you know, you have not a lot of money to spend, go eBay. Fuck it. I mean, yeah, it's not going to sound as cool when someone goes, oh, what suspension are you on? You're going to be like, eBay. Then be like, oh, wow. But honestly, it's not about what people think. It's about what you think of your own car, how you like your own car. You're going to be the one driving it. You're going to be the one looking at it all the time. It's going to be your car. So don't worry about what people think about your car. Just rock whatever you want to rock. If you want to rock eBay, rock your shit. Alright guys, so that's my 100% honest opinion on these MaxPeedingRod coilovers. If you liked it, go ahead and drop a like. If you disliked it, then fuck it, thumbs down. Subscribe if you want to subscribe, if you want to see some more videos of my Integra. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys in the next video.